So we had a bit of a problem. We had a guy flag us over and we pulled off to the side, and apparently a pin broke and the truck was coming loose, and there's a rack that we have on the back with a bunch of stuff on it, and that came loose. It was scary and it could have been really, really bad. So this fell off on the back. It came separated and fell off on the freeway. We just quickly loaded everything into the back of the truck while we were on the side of the road. And look at this. Totally scraped off. So scary. So apparently what happened, as you can see, that's totally broke off. The weld broke. The other end of that would have gone into this hole and attached by a pin. So when that weld broke, the whole thing came apart. And that's the other end. So that's the piece that was on the inside that broke. But that right there is just scary. Doesn't matter how many times you check things or how many walk-arounds you do, you're never gonna see a spot like that that's gonna have a weak spot that's just gonna come off when it comes off. We were lucky that we had the pickup and we were able to literally just throw everything in the back of the pickup. If we'd have had the car, I don't know what we would have done. This is the arm that was attached to the part that broke off, which was attached to the pickup. This is the tow bar. So then when that whole thing comes apart, the whole mess comes apart. And that is the rack that was holding all of the items, holds the Traeger and all the box full of all the little goodies and things that you haul around with. As you can see, this got pretty beat up. Wires were torn apart, the ladder was ripped off, did some damage to the back, louvers were broken, rusted off. Pretty scary situation, but could have been much, much worse. We're very thankful that somebody saw what was going on and flagged us down. And as you can see, the tow bar hooks up to the truck here on the other end. No damage to that though, so no damage to the truck. Well, now we are seeing a little bit of damage to the bumper. So this is the part of the tow bar that really got the most damage. We were not able to get a lot of filming done when the accident occurred. The Texas State Patrol showed up right away and blocked off a lane of traffic but they wanted us gone quick, which is understandable. We ended up having a lot of little damage, but nothing really, really big, which was amazing considering the hitch actually broke in half and the truck completely came apart from the RV. This rack fell to the ground with everything that was on it, of course. The Traeger tote full of things, and all of this had to be gathered up and tossed in the back of the truck just as quickly as we could. The main bit of damage was to the tow bar, and we can't assess the damage on the Traeger because the cord was torn out of it. Hopefully when the insurance company shows up, we'll get an assessment to the total amount of all the damage. But again, we're very, very thankful that there was no significant damage. A truck coming loose on the freeway could have been horrific.